Hey small business owners! Are you ready to boost your website security in 2026? Today, I'm sharing the essential 2026 website security checklist. Quick, effective, and future-proof. Let's dive in. 1. Enforce Zero Trust Architecture. In 2026, trust no device or user by default. Implement Zero Trust. Use AI-powered identity verification and continuous authentication. For example, integrate biometric logins or behavioral analytics to detect anomalies instantly. 2. Leverage AI-driven threat detection. Traditional firewalls are passé. Use AI-based security tools that monitor your traffic in real time, spot unusual patterns, and react faster than ever. Think of it as having a 24/7 cybersecurity guard dog. 3. Adopt blockchain for data integrity. Secure your data with decentralized ledgers. Blockchain can verify transactions and data integrity, making breaches or tampering nearly impossible. Use it for sensitive customer info and transaction records. 4. Implement passwordless authentication. Say goodbye to weak passwords. Use FIDO2 compliant methods like hardware tokens or biometric authentication. It's faster, safer, and reduces phishing risks. 5. Continuous security training with AR/VR. Engage your team through immersive training. Use augmented reality or virtual reality simulations to teach phishing detection and security best practices, making training memorable and effective. 6. Use quantum-resistant encryption. Prepare for the quantum era. Implement encryption algorithms designed to withstand quantum computing threats. Future-proof your data security. 7. Regular automated penetration testing. Test your defenses automatically. Schedule AI-driven penetration tests that simulate cyber attacks, identify vulnerabilities proactively, and patch them before hackers do. Stay ahead of cyber threats in 2026 with these cutting-edge security practices. Protect your business, build trust with customers, and focus on growth, knowing your website is secure. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.